Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Scientist. In this episode, we shall see about Mercury. We all know that Mercury is the first and the closest planet to the Sun. Though it is the closest, Venus is hotter than Mercury, as Venus receives the direct heat of the Sun and also the reflected heat of the Sun by Mercury. Have you ever thought about certain questions about Mercury? Like was Mercury a life-sustaining planet, or does it have an atmosphere? Today we shall see the hidden secrets of Mercury, which will make you shocked. We will also see the reason behind the things. So without wasting any time, let's begin. At first, the scientists thought that the planet Mercury was so small to contain atmosphere, but the Mariner 10, which was NASA's probe, surprised the scientists. This unrevealed the most amazing secret of Mercury, that Mercury had atmosphere. It mainly consists of two gases, hydrogen and helium. The scientists think that the reason for this is sun. They think that the solar winds are responsible for this. NASA says that the Mercury may have thick deposits of ice. It was proved by NASA's LRO and Messenger spacecraft. We know that ice is the solid form of water, but this does not mean that the ice on Mars is the water on Earth. Some chemical can freeze in the extreme conditions to form ice. The most common question that people get is whether Mercury has life or not. If you got the same question, then comment down below. So now we shall seek the answer, that is there life on Mercury or not. Stay tuned and watch this video. The scientists don't think that there is or there was life on Mercury because the conditions on Mercury are extreme. During the day, the temperature goes to the extreme level of 430 degrees Celsius. The temperature on Earth is generally from 40 degrees Celsius, and in Mumbai, it is in summer seasons, it is 42, 43, 45 hardly. And it is on Mars, on Mercury. The temperature is 430 degrees Celsius, and even if you keep a metal rod over there, it will melt suddenly. And at night, it falls extremely at minus 180 degrees Celsius. It is the highest. We would never see this kind of temperature on Earth. So it is impossible to have life on Mercury because of such harsh conditions. Hope you got to learn something new from this video. If you enjoyed, then hit the like button and smash the subscribe button till it becomes great. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.